I'm Ty Pennington, Extreme Makeovers Home Edition. It's been an honor and rewarding helping hundreds of families around America. We've transformed lives of people who've done amazing work in the world. Special needs families, American heroes, veterans. It's been a great ride, great staff, but the economy's tough. The show is tanking ratings-wise. We need to mix it up. Worst of all, we've lost our biggest sponsor, Sears. Fortunately, company in Salt Lake City has stepped in to continue the good work, Control4, and I'm here to kind of formally launch the 2012 season with a new lineup. Our first home that we'll be redoing is based in Salt Lake City, and the worthy recipient of our great work is from another show called Housewives of Salt Lake City.
It's Real Housewives of Salt Lake, and I am Aliza Bonharmer. I'm sure you've seen me on TV because I'm everywhere.
Isn't she lovely and so deserving of our good work?
Anyway, rich.
And she's very rich, but hopefully we'll get our viewership back doing this. Anyway, so I'm here to talk to Lisa about how Control4 can pimp her house. So I've been doing a little bit of research. I've watched your show. I'm thinking we might want to add control into your home to basically control your household. Specifically, I'm thinking we might want to put some alarms in case your teenager tries to break into the medicine cabinet or the liquor cabinet.
Now, I'm going to be able to get into the liquor cabinet, right? Because that's really important.
Yes, we can definitely work it out so that if, what's your teenager's name?
Brenda.
If Brenda breaks in, you'll get a text alert, and so all will be well.
Okay, great.
I've also heard that your other child's in a little bit of a situation. It's a shame you didn't have Control4 before, because we could have had some, can you zoom in on her? What's her name?
Julie.
We could have had some sensors so that, like, you would have known if she was sneaking out of the house to meet her boyfriend.
Yeah, that would have been good.
Fat bummer.
Although she's making so much money on 16 and Pregnant, it's kind of turned out to be a good thing.
Oh, delightful. Well, maybe we'll put some intercoms, video intercoms into the nursery so that you can kind of check out, see how the baby's doing.
Yay, more cameras.
And how do you feel about being a grandmother?
What?
That's the reality.
Hi. I hate you, Ty Pennington.
Grandma.
If she were my kid, I'd put pressure sensors in her bed.
The other thing, I noticed you got a lovely tan, but you're in Salt Lake. It's freezing here. How do you do that?
Well, it's totally natural.
I'm thinking that maybe Control4 can kind of maintain that beautiful look throughout the winter season by, we can set your bathroom so that we can have some tanning lights go on automatically. Tuesdays, Thursdays, is that the regimen? You do it a couple times a week or what?
Or maybe more, a couple times a day would be good. So.
The other thing I can think of immediately, and then I'll bring in the Control4 dealer in a minute to kind of get programming on this, is with that beautiful figure, dieting must be a big part of your life. How can you kind of maintain discipline and staying out of the fridge?
Eat.
You just need some drugs.
Diet
There's
is very
no
important.
ice in paradise.
And you've got to keep the law at hand, too.
Always.
I'm thinking that with Sub-Zero Wolf sensors that, we could kind of create an alarm in your house. So if you exceed your calorie intake, Control4 can help you.
I need food for my baby.
Yeah, that would be great, but really, my husband is so rich, I just pay somebody to walk around and slap food out of my hands, so that's really how it works.
Oh, well, then maybe you don't need that for Control4.
No, but I'll do it to keep the kids out of the fridge.
I'll take that job.
All right, we've got Burberry coming in to redecorate your upholstery.
Great.
And I think we have some Tiffany chandeliers coming in. I think that will kind of complement the house. So we're going to go now. Got thousands of volunteers working on this worthy project. Appreciate everybody in Salt Lake's support.
Thanks, Control4. Thanks, Ty Pennington.
And girls, do you love that? I can't wait for you to kind of do that. Move that bus.
Meh.
They're not very appreciative.
I'll probably be in the
We'll
hospital.
do it for you, Ty. You're stunning.
I know, aren't I? So is Control4.